Well, hello, William Williams, Philippines. Sunday, June 29th at about 8:40 in the a.m. Tired and hungry. Uh, and been working on papers. Such fun stuff. Also, been trying to pack stuff and, yeah, move stuff out. Yeah. Why is there so much stuff to do in getting out of a house? When I was younger, it was just a matter of cut and run. I didn't own anything. Boy, that's the hazard of being in one place for so long. You know, I remember moving and sometimes leaving the stuff, but not a lot of stuff. Now I'm going to be leaving a lot of stuff. Hazard of having been in the same place for so long. It is what it is. Trying to get it figured out is, well, that's the three ring circus, right? Anyway, missed yesterday. Came home, was working on sorting a bunch of papers and got them all out. Now I can mainly is going to be making some copies and putting them into the package I want them to go to. Mostly they're in the package I want them to go to, stacked up, ready to go. I just got to open the bag and toss them in, and open the box and toss them in. Yeah, it is what it is. Hopefully, the next couple of days, this thing will sell. Uh, I've got an offer that we're probably going to go with, and then unless something shows up in the next 2 days, if it does, it does. If it doesn't, doesn't. It'd be nice to make more. We'll see. But yeah, and I need to take and have a garage sale right now. Yeah, I guess I can put a sign out that says moving sale and just start stacking stuff in the yard. If they walk off with it, I don't care. At least it's getting the home. I'd prefer to make money on it though. Yeah, so it is what it is. Tired. Was having to answer the phone every time I turn around, and had people trying to sleep in the parking lot because there weren't any places around Amarillo to sleep or to get hotels. I had like 5 people in my parking lot I had to run off over the night. Uh, it's the hazard. Yeah, we get the rodeos going, the 4th of July start up, and the 4th of July wind down. Hell, fireworks were going off last night while I was getting up to go to work. And I'm pretty sure they were popping before while I was asleep. That might be why I'm so tired because I didn't sleep good because boom, boom, boom going off while I'm trying to sleep might be a reason. It is what it is. So yeah, and I've been finding things. Looks like a shotgun shell. It's not. It's a flashlight. It's actually a pretty good one. I've got brighter ones though. Yeah, and that's just a little Harbor Freight one. This one, on the other hand, yeah, got several settings to it. Never hurts to have flashlights. Yeah, I'll be packing a few of them, but most of them are just going to be left or put out there for a garage sale. Oh, come on. I don't know about you, but I've been, I always just toss a pen or something in a cup or of some sort. Dinged. I've got a rib roast in the air fryer. I'll go turn it when I get done with this. Tic Tacs, wonderful things. Uh, yeah, and I still got way more beef in my fridge. I'm gonna have to give that away. I'm tired. It's been a long week. I really need. I think I'm gonna finish cooking that for about another hour. Get it turned and let it run for 30 minutes, 45 minutes. Eat some of it and then call it a day. Put me out by around 10 because I really need some extra sleep. I ain't been sleeping good. And when I do get sleep, it's usually just sheer exhaustion, passing out. That's not good. It is what it is. Uh, anyway, I missed yesterday, so I wanted to try to get in here and get this done today because there's so much stuff that needs to be paid attention to and taken care of. It just is what it is. And back down to I actually see the Chewy computer again. I don't know. It's yeah. I'm gonna open it up and try to. I'm gonna carry it to work and open it up and try to get a couple more uh, software updates on it. See if that finishes off. If not, well, I ain't gonna worry about it. It's one of those things. I'm really irritated with it. I don't know whether any amount of help is gonna or work on is gonna help it. I do know I went through a whole bunch of stuff yesterday, paper wise. Filled up my shredder bin, just getting rid of stuff. Yeah. You don't want to leave that kind of stuff laying around. Of course, I don't know why I really worry about it. It's all out there anyway. All the information. Hell, they was talking about that data breach where they found all the databases kind of compiled into a giant one that had 16 billion people in it, which means, or entries into it, which means every person on the planet has at least two entries. Yeah, that's kind of worrisome. Yet they're trying to tell us that this is secure, that's secure. Oh, we're making it secure. hmm I don't know. I don't think there's much of anything secure anymore other than not being online. It's there's no privacy anymore. Yet, uh, government tries to tell you that there is, and then they turn around and try to tell you that you have privacy. hmm You got the right to it. Yeah, I don't know. They're just stealing from us, government especially, and that's pretty much what most of the governments are just doing, is stealing from us. It's like looking over at the Philippines, trying to put in, tell you you got to blur everybody's face. hmm Otherwise, you're violating their privacy. And if you don't do it, we're going to steal money from you. Okay. Get rid of all the phones. Well, that's what the law would require. Otherwise, you're in violation. Because, quite honestly, you can't stop your phone from recording you. If the phone has a battery in it, it's got enough battery in it to take and run, even when it's at zero. And you run it to zero a couple times to make sure it's dead. It ain't dead. It's still processing and sending out information for a couple days because nobody can do without their phone more than a couple days. And so, yeah. And all that information goes to, well, Chrome, Google, anything that goes to YouTube. If you have your phone has a camera, it's literally taking pictures 24/7. Even if it's off, it's tracking you. Yeah. So the play they're doing there is just an attempt at stealing money, which is what government does. Yeah. Government. We stick a gun in your back, steal from you, and tell you we're the good guys. Yeah. No, it's just theft at gunpoint. Doesn't matter whether it's a thug on the street or a officer with a badge. It's just a thug with a gun stealing money from you. Yeah. But hey, the officers are good guys, right? Not. Yeah. That's why I try to avoid the news, catch stuff that I don't want to hear. It's one of the reasons I want to go to the Philippines and just be a beach bum. Sit out there and whoosh, crank, 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 whoosh, crank, crank, crank. Oops, got one on. Yeah, about all I really want to do. I'm tired of all this other stuff. It's just a pain in the backside, a headache. And who needs a headache? Seriously. Anyway, I hope you've had a good weekend and that your week's a good one for you and that you had lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. Yeah. Again, more food. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, do your thing. It's all up to you. You do what you want to do. Because, hey, life's a choice, so make it. Anyway, I'm Fish. Well, Fish is out.